Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do side sit-ups here on the reformer. So I'm a big freaking fan of side sit-ups. I'm obsessed with them. I know my teacher doesn't really teach them. Once you've learned them and you're doing side sit-ups on like the ladder barrel, you could just do them there. You could do side sit-ups on your Cadillac or the window chair. But for me, I think there's so much you can learn about your body in side sit-ups, and it really can teach you some other exercises, especially on the reformer. So I like to do them. You do them after tree, and if you want to see how tree is, make sure you check out that tutorial in my reformer playlist, or ping me if you can't find it. What you want to really be focused on is this leg. It's not about what your upper body is doing at all. There's tons of variations you can do that, you could tell me about 15, I'm sure. But this leg is the most important thing you've got. So I usually have people put their hand on their headrest so they can use that arm to get long. You have to go over more than you think and get this heel up. So you should be in this abductor here. This leg, a lot of people like to hook the foot. I don't think that's great. Don't hook the foot. Instead, use this abductor to get stability. So I have the foot just under my inner thigh, and I push this knee down, and that makes both of my hips work. So now my spine is free to go. And you can just practice by doing arm out, arm back. It's your first time. You're like, oh my God, I don't know about this, right? You don't want to, when your arm comes out, you come up. That's a sign of you're using your quad hip flexor to hold you up, your lower back. It's not going to be fun. So when you're sure you can keep your leg up, then interlace your fingers behind your head, push your head into your hands through a straight line, and go down and up. Most people twist to the floor, so you may feel like you're a little bit twisted to the ceiling to be stacked. And then you can do only as big as you keep this leg up, right? That was really small. If you want to make it harder, you can grab your pole, right? You can go out, and then you can go down and up, and this just makes your arms distal, but they're still connected to your back. You can also get really crazy and do some twists. So you come out, and you can twist to the floor and to the ceiling. Your hip has to stay still. Floor, ceiling, right? All those are really fun. You can also go down and twist up, right? So you go to the floor, and then to the ceiling, and you have to keep that leg up, so that's definitely more advanced. Then, this is the part I love, you can go down with your hand and grab the frame and stretch yourself out a little bit of traction, or you can put your hands here, twist, keep your hips stacked, and go down. And both of those are good. So I'm going to do the other side without talking, just so you can kind of see it, right? And then I have some other tips for you. So stick around. You don't want to miss out on the good stuff. So that would just be the up and down. If you wanted to do, you could also hook your fingers. Right? Or you could twist. Or you can go down and twist up. Stretch could be a twist or a side bend. So if you're struggling with your side kicks, your star, this is a really good exercise that trains those muscles without you thinking about it and going, oh, I'm so weak there. You can really focus on it. I love adding this into my online reformer classes, so if you want to try it out with me, go to onlinereformerclasses.com, subscribe to my reformer membership, and then we'll have some fun. If you have any questions or requests from the comments below, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss any videos from me, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, You can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.